Hello, class and professor. My name is Latia Kirby, and this is my introduction video. A little bit about myself. I am 32. I currently work for the Department of Human Services in Philadelphia, and I also work for a homeless shelter in Philadelphia as well that houses homeless youth ages 18 to 21. I'm a mother of two, and I'm excited about the semester. Um, my experience with research. I did a lot of research during my undergraduate studies, mostly in criminal justice. We did a lot of research on the nature versus nurture argument and how that pertains to criminality. What's exciting for me in regards to reading the syllabus would be to learn some of the functionality in regards to using Excel and how that can correspond with information gathered during the research process. And research is fun to me when I'm learning something new, when I'm learning something that I'm not entirely familiar with. I find that gathering new information increases my knowledgeability in areas that I wouldn't normally dive into, maybe areas that don't affect my day to day. I think it's good to be open minded and be able to gather knowledge from different areas per se.